Hello class, let's start with our geometric gradient series. Okay, so yung difference ng geometric gradient series with the previous, which is the arithmetic gradient series, is that sa arithmetic gradient series, no, as a review, yung increase natin is constant in value, no? So every payment period fixed or constant yung increase, no? So yung sa previous example natin, nagdadagdag tayo ng 100 pesos na payment per year or per month, no? So for example, the first payment was 1,000, the next payment was 1,100, the next is 1,200, and so on and so forth. Okay, so pag geometric gradient naman guys, hindi na value yung constant na nag-i-increase. Okay, so ang constant na dito sa geometric gradient is a constant increase or decrease of percentage. Oops. Of the value, no? Or amount pala. Value or amount na lang. Amount paid prior. At, again, constant intervals. Okay, so yun at yun pa rin, no? Consistent dapat yung ating payment period. So kung every year the first payment is first, the second payment is the second year, and so on and so forth. Okay, so ano magiging itsura naman ng geometric gradient? Okay, so wala tayo ng year 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on up until N. Alisin ko na tong arrow na to kasi, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, up until N. So, for example, dito sa year 0, meron tayong hiniram na P. And we plan to pay that first with an initial payment, no? Na let's say A. Then a second payment of dito guys, magkakaroon tayo ng increase, no? Dito naman, ano ba yan? Teka lang ha, i-explain ko sa inyo in a while. This is A. So if this is my A1, this is my A1 times I plus G. AI plus G squared. This is AI plus G cubed. Okay? And this is, therefore, A times 1 plus I plus G pala. Sorry guys. Ayan. Raised to, kung mapapansin natin, ito is raised to 1. This is raised to 2. Pero yung year dito is 3. Ito ay squared. 4, ito ay cube. 2, ito ay raised to 1. Okay, so ang nakitang pattern is raised to n minus 1. Okay, so ang itsura niya guys, no, hindi lang masyadong kita dito, pero kung kanina medyo pa-triangle, dito dapat ang itsura niya is pa-curve. Okay? So this is the first payment A1, no. So kada year by percentage yung kanyang increase or decrease. Okay? So, this is an increasing, no? Ito ay increasing. Pwede naman siya magkaroon ng first payment niya ay mataas na agad. Then, pababa ng pababa kada payment, no? Okay? So, pwede yan mangyari, guys. Okay? So, kung kanina, constant yung value increase, arithmetic, no? May constant tayong increase na G. Dito naman sa geometric gradient, we have a constant percentage increase, no? And that is denoted by the small letter G. Okay? So, yung interest natin dito, ano? Kung kunwari may 10% interest tayo, hindi lang 10% yung hindi lang 10% talaga yung idadagdag natin kay A1. For example, yung G natin is may increase ka na 5% no per payment period. O di ang magiging total na increase ni A1 from A1 is magiging plus 10 and then plus 15. So plus 10% and plus 5%, no? So magiging plus 15%. Okay? Okay.